Have you ever stopped to think about how fascinating eggs are? No? Just me? Well, consider this. What other food has sparked debates as deep as which came first, the chicken or the egg? We're even told not to put all our eggs in one basket. Yep, eggs are incredibly useful, and their benefits go far beyond philosophy. They're also packed with amazing health perks. If you're curious about what eating just one boiled egg a day can do for your body, keep watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join us here on the Nutri-Nook. Eggs are an incredible superfood. Not only are they considered a perfect protein, but they're also low in carbs, high in quality fats, and packed with nutrients that support everything from your skin and hair to brain health. Let's dive into the many reasons why consuming 2 to 4 eggs daily can do wonders for your health. Are eggs really full of bad cholesterol? Let's address the elephant in the room: eggs and cholesterol. According to researchers from the University of Connecticut, the cholesterol in eggs isn't as harmful as you might think. While eggs do contain cholesterol, they're also rich in phosphatides and omega-3 fatty acids, which actually help balance out the so-called bad cholesterol. The real problem arises when you fry eggs in excessive oil, as tasty as that might be. Instead, boiling eggs is a much healthier option, and you'll still reap all the benefits. The surprising health benefits of one boiled egg. A day eggs are nature's perfect package of nutrients designed to sustain life. They're loaded with proteins, vitamins, and essential elements, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Here's what eating just one boiled egg daily can do for you. Keeps you energized. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein that fuels your body and keeps you full for longer. That's why experts recommend having eggs for breakfast. It'll help you power through your morning and avoid those embarrassing stomach growls before lunch. Boosts immunity. The healthy fats in egg yolks support proper cell function, including those in your immune system. This means you'll get sick less often when you make eggs a regular part of your diet. Improves brain function. Eggs are a great source of choline, an essential nutrient that enhances memory and problem-solving skills. A deficiency in choline can lead to cognitive decline, so eating eggs is like brain food. Strengthens bones and teeth. Eggs contain vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium. Add in phosphorus, another essential element found in eggs, and you've got a winning combination for stronger bones, healthier teeth, and gum protection. Fights aging. The antioxidants, selenium and zinc in eggs, work to remove harmful substances from your body, preventing premature aging and keeping your cells healthy. Supports red blood cell production. Eggs are full of riboflavin, vitamin B2, which aids in producing red blood cells and breaking down carbs, proteins, and fats into energy. They're also an excellent source of iron, making them a great addition to the diet of anyone suffering from anemia. Promotes eye health. Thanks to their high content of lutein and other carotenoids, eggs can improve your eyesight and protect your eyes from damage. Bonus, their anti-aging properties might even help smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. Eases hangovers. Eggs contain phospholipids, which help your liver break down and eliminate toxic substances like alcohol. Of course, it's better to drink in moderation, but eggs can be your ally when you've overindulged. Enhances mental health. The tryptophan in eggs boosts serotonin, the happiness hormone, while the amino acid lysine reduces anxiety and stress. And hey, there's some color psychology at play too. Yellow is known to boost happiness, so why not put it on your plate? Can you eat eggshells? Surprisingly, yes. Eggshells are an excellent source of calcium. If you want to give it a try, wash the shells thoroughly, boil them for 5 minutes, and grind them into a fine powder. Sprinkle it onto your meals for a calcium boost. Eggs for beauty and weight loss. Eggs are a dieter's dream. They're low in calories, easy to digest, and keep you feeling full, which reduces snacking and overeating. On top of that, the B vitamins in eggs promote smoother skin, stronger nails, and shinier hair. Who needs expensive beauty treatments when you have eggs? You can even apply raw egg as a face or hair mask for 20 minutes, but eating at least one a day will give you all these benefits from the inside out. A few notes of caution. As amazing as eggs are, there are a couple of things to consider. Allergies. Be cautious if you're giving eggs to a child for the first time, as they can trigger allergies in some people. If you're allergic to eggs, it's usually the whites. You can still enjoy the yolks for their nutritional benefits. Moderation. Overeating eggs isn't recommended. One boiled egg a day is sufficient to enjoy the benefits without overdoing it. Always choose pasture-raised, organic eggs for the best quality. Keep eggs pointed side down in the fridge to maximize freshness. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense and versatile foods available. From their ability to improve skin and hair health to their brain-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties, eggs truly deserve a place in your daily diet. Ready to learn even more? So, how do you like your eggs? Will you try the 1 egg a day routine? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe to stay on the NutriNook.